Chord charts, backings, are you confused when someone asks, can you just play something? Well, let's look at 6 different tricks to just play something on the piano and my very favorite ways to pull apart any 4 chords. Well, hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up if you enjoy the content, as this will really help me out. Well, once I was at a community concert evening and there was a singer who didn't have anyone to play for her and she decided that she really wanted to perform, and very kindly my mother volunteered me for the job. I was quite young and I didn't really have a clue what to do without the music. So I sort of listened to what she was doing. I worked out a bit of a key and then I worked out the main chord changes, and basically on the night I think I did a very bare bones accompaniment and didn't really have any ideas what to do. So let's look at 6 tricks to help you to be able to create a backing or accompaniment to a chord progression. So let's step through 4 chords starting on an F chord, an F major 7, which is chord 4, step down chord 3 minor 7. So on the E, skipping up, skipping up, skipping up. Then a 2 minor 7 on D, skip up, skip up, skip up. And C, major 7, where we're returning to there. The very first thing that we can try is just to piece the chords under each hand. So if we've got our F major 7, skipping up, and then step down, and step down. I'll show you 2 ways to play these chords in a basic way. Let's also go into the F and create a 5th in our left hand. In our right hand, let's play an F chord, but then do our little thumb trick stepping down with a major 7 note. So that creates that there. Then we just step all those down again. Chord 2 and chord 1. Okay, so practice up both those ways because I'll mix those through the different tricks as we go. Trick number 2, let's just hold the left hand in that 5th and let's pulse in the right hand with that thumb stepping down there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. As well, we might want to whack the right hand up the octave to give a bit of variety there. So for trick number 3, let's mix the beats between both hands. Trick number 4, let's go back to those stacks of thirds, skipping up in the left hand and do a bit of an par bass there in the left hand, stepping down. And hold your right hand. Trick number 5, let's do open 5ths in the left hand and break apart the right hand chord to use that as a bit of melody. Here we go. And with trick number 6, let's play the left hand with an octave feature. So right hand again, stepping that thumb down, and left hand, we'll add some extra octaves there. Thanks so much for watching today. You can join me every Thursday for new videos on piano improvisation and creativity and learning some easy skills. So let's mix those 6 tricks all around now and have a play with that. Be brave and happy music making.